Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the glitter effect or glitter texture in the Photopea. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, actually you can also create this glitter effect through your Photoshop. However, in this video I didn't have that application, or I have not installed it yet. And for the alternative, you can actually use this Photopea to create this glitter effect, guys. And don't worry, because this Photopea also for free, and you don't have to, or you don't need to do the login with your email, or you don't have to own the account to access this Photopea. So here I am access it with my PC, and this is the look of the Photopea. You can simply visit photopea.com and this will be the look. And basically the look is kind of a little bit similar with the Adobe Photoshop. And the next step is you can start to click file and you can click new, and you can also choose the page size that you would like to create for this project. And here I will start from this width and also a height. And after that you will see the page or blank page over here, and I will unlock this layer. Just give it a double click, and also you can start to change the background. Here I will change it to become this color. Basically the color that we will use over here is in the code FOC92E, and you can click OK. And after that I will start to give the combination window and delete, and also after that control and backspace. There you go. This will be the color of this page, and this is the color of the next layer. I'm sorry. And after that I will start to go to this filter, and you can go to this filter gallery, and after that you can choose this film grain. Basically we can create the bling or the glitter texture using the grainy texture or grainy filters like this. And also you can adjust the highlight, let's say to become 10. And also I will slightly add the grain over here to become 8, and you will see the bling bling or the grainy texture or the glitter texture is already appear. And let's say if you would like to change the intensity, they might be a few of the change. You can also adjust it. Let's say I will put it into 5, and you can click OK. And after that I will go to this filter again, and I will go to this pixelate, and you can click this crystallize, and you will see when it has the 10 pixels the glitter is slightly too harsh, so you can reduce it, let's say to become 6 or maybe 3. I guess this is the best. And after that I will also change this layer to become multiply, and I will give it the right click and click the duplicate layer, and you will see it's kind of the bling layer. It's kind of the glitter, however it's more like in the copper. And you can also adjust the position, keep the layer 1 being selected, and also let's say I will transform it to be rotated in 180 degree, and like this, guys. Well, basically you can create this glitter or this grainy texture of the glitter by using this filter of the grainy, guys. And also you can adjust the smoothness too. and also adjust the brightness. And you can click OK. And after that, I will start to push my shift in the keyboard and click this background. And after that, I will also start to merge this layer. And how to merge it, you can start to give it the combination of Ctrl and E. There you go. The layer has become one, and this is the, I guess, the glitter that we can create in this Photopea. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to explore more with Photopea. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.